I feel relief, actually. I feel like I have been able to release some stuff that has been going on for me, and I just didn't want it to end because I'd fallen asleep. I fell asleep and I was like, yes, finally. I work with men's mental health, so I want to see more men in these spaces, and I really want to see more men being able to express themselves and move energy, you know, in a way that doesn't sound weird. It really is just lying there listening to some music, ultimately. So I'd love to see more men here. When the first meditation I ever did with Leith's sound healing, I'd just come out of hospital. I'd had my appendix removed and my nan had just passed away, and I got really complete on her death and a lot of trauma I was holding in my womb. And I don't experience pain there anymore, and that's really Leith and, you know, other people that assisted at that sound healing. It's really a testament to how powerful this work is. I'm Emilie Kate. I run a men's mental health not-for-profit online called Best Life. I'm a life coach and I'm also an online business consultant.